You're watching Alaska's news source.
Teachers can change a student's life, but often their contributions aren't celebrated publicly. Then today, what started as a typical high school assembly became very special. At West High School, after 2 long pandemic years with little reason to celebrate,
give me some gusto for both the choir and the dancers. Woo!
the school crowds into the gym for an assembly.
This is the first assembly I've been in since the pandemic.
Everyone was told this would be a lesson about how drugs can impact your future.
The hardest test that you'll have a chance to fail isn't about math, isn't about English, it's about that drug test.
Pretty standard high school stuff on what really isn't a very typical day.
We heard that you have some of the greatest students in the country. Is that true?
Taught by some of the best in the country.
And one of the best teachers in the entire country is here in your school. And before we leave, a teacher at West High is going to receive this national award.
It's a Milkin Educator Award. Think of it as the Oscars of teaching. And one of these educators is the big winner.
You want to know who it is? You want to know who it is? Will Dr. Johnson please announce our newest recipient of the Milkin Educator Award?
All right, here we go. It is Temperance Tinker Kays.
With it comes big prizes, including money.
$25,000.
It's an honor, a reason to be happy.
I have to say, it's sometimes really hard to show up. You know, like my year this year has been really hard. And to be here today and to get recognition and to get support from these amazing people behind me and this entire West High community, it means so much.
We all need more days like this after so many hard times.
This year, I just had a really hard year. I lost my sister, I lost my stepmom, and we also put down our dog. It was just like this kind of whirlwind of really hard things. And every time I had to like call in a sub, I felt supported.
As a 12th grade English teacher, she supported her students by expanding their worlds.
I used books to kind of travel the world.
A world that felt a little happier today.
First thing a student told me was, "I told you so." But yes, I think that I'm still in shock.
With a reminder to savor the joy.
Just knowing my students who have faced loss and all of us in the past 2 years who have faced so much loss, that to have something good like this, you know, wherever people are when they die, they, you know, can celebrate